Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Marnidi Academy. Today let us discuss MCQs of Physics chapter 10 Light Reflection and Refraction. First question. An object is placed at a distance of 0.25 meter in front of a plane mirror. The distance between the object and image will be option A 0.25 meter, option B 1.0 meter, option C 0.5 meter, option D 0.125 meter. And the answer is option C 0.5 meter. Second question. The angle of incidence for a ray of light having zero reflection angle is option A 0, option B 30 degrees, option C 45 degrees, option D 90 degrees. And the answer is option A 0 degrees. Third question. For a real object, which of the following can produce a real image? Option A plane mirror, option B concave mirror, option C concave lens, option D convex mirror. And the answer is option B concave mirror. And the fourth question is, which of the following mirror is used by a dentist to examine a small cavity? Option A convex mirror, option B plane mirror, option C concave mirror, option D combination of convex and concave mirror. And the answer is option C concave mirror. Fifth question. An object at a distance of 30 cm from a concave mirror gets its image at the same point. The focal length of the mirror is option A minus 30 cm, option B 30 cm, option C minus 15 cm, option D 15 cm. And the answer is option D plus 15 cm. Sixth question. An object at a distance of plus 15 cm is slowly moved towards the pole of a convex mirror. The image will get option A shortened and real, option B enlarged and real, option C enlarged and virtual, option D diminished and virtual. And the answer is option D diminished and virtual. Seventh question. A concave mirror of radius 30 cm is placed in water. Its focal length in air and water differ by option A 15, option B 20, option C 30, option D 0. And the answer is option D 0. Question number 8. A concave mirror of focal length 20 cm forms an image having twice the size of object. For the virtual position of object, the position of object will be at option A 25 cm, option B 40 cm, option C 10 cm, option D at infinity. And the answer is option C 10 centimeters. Have an explanation, look at this. Ninth question. The image formed by concave mirror is real, inverted and of the same size as that of the object. The position of object should be option A at the focus, option B at the center of curvature, option C between focus and center of curvature, option D beyond center of curvature. And the answer is option C, between focus and center of curvature. Question number 10. The nature of the image formed by concave mirror when the object is placed between the focus and center of curvature of the mirror observed by us is option A, real, inverted and diminished, option B, virtual, erect and smaller in size, option C, real, inverted and enlarged, option D, virtual, upright and enlarged. And the answer is option C, real, inverted and enlarged. 11th question. The nature of image formed by a convex mirror when the object distance from the mirror is less than the distance between pole and focal point of the mirror would be option A, real, inverted and diminished in size, option B, real, inverted and enlarged in size, option C, virtual, upright and diminished in size, option D, virtual, upright and enlarged in size. And the answer is option C, virtual, upright and diminished in size. 12th question. If a man's face is 25 cm in front of concave shaving mirror producing erect image 1.5 times the size of face, focal length of the mirror would be option A 75 cm, option B 25 cm, option C 15 cm, option D 60 cm. And the answer is option A 75 centimeters. 13th question. As light travels from a rarer to a denser medium, it will have option A increased velocity, option B decreased velocity, option C decreased wavelength, option D both B and C. And the answer is option D. Here is the explanation. When light ray travel from rarer to denser medium, its velocity and wavelength both decrease as V is equal to V lambda. So answer is both B and C. 14th question. The refractive index of transparent medium is greater than 1 because option A, speed of light in vacuum is less than speed of light in transparent medium. Option B, speed of light in vacuum is greater than speed of light in transparent medium. Option C, speed of light in vacuum equal to speed of light in transparent medium. Option D, frequency of light wave changes when it moves from rarer to denser medium. And the answer is option B. Speed of light in vacuum is greater than speed of light in transparent medium. 15th question. The refractive index of water is 1.33. The speed of light in water will be option A 1.33 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Option B 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Option C 2.26 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Option D 2.66 into 10 power 8 meter per second. And the answer is option C 2.26 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 16th question. You are given three media A, B and C of refractive index 1.33, 1.65 and 1.46. The medium in which the light will travel fastest is option A, option B, capital B, option C, option D, equal in all three media. 17th question. Light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point called option A center of curvature, option B focus, option C radius of curvature, option D optical center. And the answer is option B focus. 18th question. Large number of thin stripes of black paint are made on the surface of a convex lens of focal length 20 cm to catch the image of a white horse. The image will be option A zebra of black stripes, option B a horse of black stripes, option C a horse of less brightness, option D a zebra of less brightness. And the answer is option C, a horse of less brightness. 19th question. A divergent lens will produce option A always real image, option B always virtual image, option C both real and virtual image, option D none of these. And the answer is option B, always virtual image. 20th question. When object moves closer to convex lens, the image formed by it shift. Option A away from the lens, option B towards the lens, option C first towards and then away from the lens, option D first away and then towards the lens. And the answer is option A, away from the lens. 21st question. When object moves closer to a concave lens, the image by its shift. Option A, away from the lens on the same side of object. Option B, toward the lens. Option C, away from the lens on the other side of lens. Option D, first towards and then away from the lens. Twenty-second question. Which of the following statements is true? Option A convex lens has 4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. Option B a convex lens has -4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. Option C a concave lens has 4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. Option D a concave lens has -4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. And the answer is option A. Convex lens has 4 diopter power having a focal length 0.25 meter. 23rd question. Magnification produced by a rear view mirror fitted in vehicles. Option A is less than 1. Option B is more than 1. Option C is equal to 1. Option D can be more than or less than 1 depending upon the position of the object in front of it. And the answer is option A is less than 1. 24th question. Rays from sun converge at a point 15 cm in front of a concave mirror. Where should an object be placed so that size of its image is equal to the size of the object? Option A 15 cm in front of the mirror. Option B 30 cm in front of the mirror. Option C between 15 cm and 30 cm in front of the mirror. Option D more than 30 cm in front of the mirror. And the answer is option B, 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. 25th question. A full-length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using option A concave mirror, option B a convex mirror, option C a plane mirror, option D both concave as well as plane mirror. And the answer is option B, a convex mirror. 26th question. In torches, searchlights and headlights of vehicles, the bulb is placed. Option A, between the pole and the focus of the reflector. Option B, very near to the focus of the reflector. Option C, between the focus and center of curvature of the reflector. Option D, at the center of curvature of the reflector. And the answer is option B, very near to the focus of the reflector. 27th question. The laws of reflection hold good for option A, plane mirror only, option B, concave mirror only, option C, convex mirror only, option D, all mirrors irrespective of their shape. And the answer is option D, all mirrors are irrespective of their shape. 28th question. You are given water, mustard oil, glycerin and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at same angle would bend the most? Option A, kerosene, option B, water, option C, mustard oil, option D, glycerin. And the answer is option D, glycerin. 29th question. In which of the following the image of an object placed at infinity will be highly diminished and point sized? Option A, concave mirror only, option B, convex mirror only, option C, convex lens only, option D, concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens and convex lens. And the answer is option D, concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens and convex lens. 30th question. Light travel fastest in option A, water, option B, air, option C, glass, option D, diamond. And the answer is option B, air. Question number 31. The diagrams showing the correct path of the ray after passing through the option A, 2 and 3 only, option B, 1 and 2 only, option C, 1, 2 and 3, option D, 1, 2 and 4. And the answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3. 32nd question. A light ray enters from medium A to medium B as shown in figure. The refractive index of medium B relative to A will be option A, greater than unity, option B, less than unity, option C, equal to unity, option D, 0. And the answer is option A, greater than unity. Question number 33. Beams of light are incident through the holes A and B and emerge out of box through the holes C and D respectively, as shown in the figure. Which of the following could be inside the box? Option A, A rectangular glass slab. Option B, a convex lens. Option C, a concave lens. Option D, a prism. And the answer is option A, rectangular glass slab. Question number 34. A beam of light is incident through the holes on side A and emerges out of the holes on the other face of the box as shown in the figure. Which of the following could be inside the box? Option A, concave lens. Option B, rectangular glass slab. Option C, prism. Option D, convex lens. And the answer is option D, convex lens. Question number 35. The path of a ray of light coming from air passing through a rectangular glass slab traced by 4 students are shown as A, B, C and D in figure. Which one of them is correct? Options 1, A. Option 2, B. Option 3, C. Option 4, D. And the answer is option 2, B. 36th question. Which of the following ray diagrams is correct for the ray of light incident on a concave mirror as shown in figure? Options 1, figure A, 2, figure B, 3, figure C, 4, figure D. And the answer is option 4, figure D. 37th question. Which of the following ray diagrams is correct for the ray of light incident on a lens shown in figure? Options 1, figure A, 2, figure B, 3, figure C, 4, figure D. And the answer is option 1, figure A. 38th question. The mirror having reflecting surface curved inwards. Option A, plane mirror. Option B, convex mirror. Option C, cylindrical mirror. Option D, concave mirror. And the answer is option D, concave mirror. 39th question. The deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called. Options. Option A, reflection. Option B, refraction. Option C, dispersion. Option D, scattering. And the answer is option B, refraction. 40th question. The image which is formed behind the mirror. Option A, real image. Option B, virtual image. Option C, blue image. Option D, partial image. And the answer is option B, virtual image. So this is today's video. I hope these MCQs will help you. Please like to our channel. It gives us a lot of support. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will bring forward many new videos. For those videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.